Hi, welcome to another joyful tune-ins. Today, we're going to talk about presence. So presence is not something that was taught to us through our parents necessarily, nor the church, nor the school system, nor even a university system. But if you look at it, we are composed of many different aspects. Our ego personality, our emotional body, our mental body, and our spiritual bodies. So in reference, transformation and healing, we're moving into that space of allowing presence, your presence, to create the changes and transformations in body, mind, and spirit. So let's take a moment now, and we're going to go into presence. So let go of the day. Let go of your to-do list. Let go of tribal consciousness and the chaos of the world. Letting go of your body, letting go of your mind, letting go of the earth, and all that is happening in the collective. And imagine your awareness drifting through a tunnel of light, moving through a stargate, if you will, and moving into the vastness of inner space, moving into the void, moving into the stillness, moving into that which is beyond all form, moving into the core of the stillness and abiding there for a moment, just being with the presence that is you, your infinite presence, called the oneness. And recognize that God created you from this vibration. This vibration of wholeness and stillness. And that you were birthed into the many worlds from the greater presence. And your presence is beyond all levels of duality. It is beyond all levels of corruption and distortions. It remains pure and unadulterated. Now, begin to breathe in presence into the body through all the chakra points from head to toe. Or you can imagine taking it into the solar plexus of the body and allowing the solar plexus to distribute that presence throughout the body, throughout the nervous system, to all your organs, to all your endocrine glands, to your bones, your skin, your immune system, to all parts in your brain. And for the rest of the day now, allow this flow of presence to be throughout your body, to circulate through your aura to all levels of your auric field. And allow your presence to speak through your voice, to move through your hands, to generate through your eyes, to ground your body with the new earth. And know that this is your natural soul signature. This is your divine frequency, this presence. Just simply allow it to be. So again, thank you for joining us today for another joyful tune-in. For further information, programs, and offerings, simply go to kenjikumara.com and sign up for our email list. So until next time, many blessings. Have a wonderful afternoon and evening. May God bless.